Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to create Data Factory in Azure portal. One request viewer, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. So now let's get started and create Azure Data Factory. I am in the home page of Azure portal. Okay. To create Data Factory, go to Create Resource and click here Create a Resource plus icon, and you can go to here Integration Service, and you can choose from here Data Factory, or you can simply type here if you are not able to find Data Factory and enter. Now you can see here Data Factory. So click here Create Resource, and now you choose here subscription. I am using free trial, and click here to create resource group. I am giving resource group name my Data Factory DF. Then choose here Data Factory name. So I am giving name Data Factory DWS. This should be unique and in lowercase. Okay, and I am choosing Central India. As you wish, nearby you can choose your region. So I am choosing Central India region, and version is V2. V1 is deprecated, so not any option. Okay, so you have to choose here V2 version. Click here next. Choose here configure git letter, and it is choose by default. If not selected this checkbox by default, then please select this checkbox for simple setting. Okay, now click next. I am choosing as by default, and here public. If do not click on private endpoint, click on public endpoint. Next, I am choosing by default. Next, I am no need to tag here, and review and create. Let's create initializing deployment. Deployment in progress. It's take a while to create Azure Data Factory. Deployment is succeeded. Now click here to go to resource, and you can see here Data Factory resource, and you can monitor here trigger runs integration runtime, and I am not doing anything, so not showing any graph. Okay, and you can monitor from here. Our main thing is to launch Azure Data Factory, and click here to launch. Launching Azure Data Factory. Please wait, it's take a while. Now this is the Azure Data Factory homepage, and where we can do the data ingestion, transformation and loading. We will see in upcoming video. So please stay tuned and please subscribe the channel. If you find this video helpful, also like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.